Implementation: acquiring and installing Kali Linux. First step, go to site kali.org and download installer image, 64-bit architecture with this link ISO image. After download image, go to VMware Workstation, create a new virtual machine, typically recommended. Next, installer disk image file ISO, browse, and Kali Linux installer AMD64 ISO image, open. Next, guest operating system is Linux and Debian 12x64-bit. Next, virtual machine name Kali Linux and location E drive, Kali Linux folder. Okay, next, and maximum disk size is 50 gigabytes. Next, and customize hardware with 4 gigabytes RAM memory, and close, finish. Next, start up this guest operating system. And boot menu show one line, graphic install, advanced option, accessible, dark contrast, installer menu, and install with speech synthesis. I use graphical installer. Enter. Select language, English, continue. Select your location, continue. Configure the keyboard, continue. Load installer components from installation media, wait. Detect network hardware, configure the network, host name, select and use this, continue. Domain name, configure the network default, continue. And set up username and password, full name for the username, for example Arman. Continue. Username for your account Arman. Choose a password for the user, new. Re-enter password to verify, continue. configure the clock, external or central or other, continue. Configure the clock, wait to finish, detect disk. And partition disks, guided, use entire disk, continue. And all file in one partition recommended for new user, or separate /home partition or /varant temp partition. I can use all file in one partition recommended for new user. Continue. And finish partition and write change to disk, continue. Write the change to disks, yes, continue. Install the base system, started. Wait to install base system. Configure the package manager, select and install software. For install XFCE, Kali's default desktop environment or none, or Kali Plasma, everything use, select checkbox and continue. Wait to install software. Install the grab bootloader. Install the grab bootloader to your primary drive, yes, continue. And the SDA, continue. Finish the installation. Wait to finish. and continue. Installation complete. Continue. System reboot. Automatic. And select Kali GNU/Linux. And enter username and password. Login. Show desktop. Kali Linux. And applications. Settings. Setting manager. And about